Yo guys, welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover and welcome back to a new video here on the channel, guys. So today we will be discussing the Litecoin chart here. We will be discussing the key reasons why I do think there is a lot of upside potential in this chart here. So if you're a Litecoin holder, I should definitely suggest watching this video till the end here. And of course, if you're not already a subscriber of the channel, guys, we're extremely close with reaching the 50k on this channel, so it will be amazing, of course, if you're right now going to smash up that subscriber button so we can reach the 50k. So with that out of the way, let's go right away into the charts, guys, and let's discuss some Litecoin. So first I will be discussing the Litecoin chart on the weekly time frame. So guys, if we're looking to the weekly time frame, I feel extremely exciting about the asset Litecoin, of course. And you can see, of course, once we're setting up a Fibonacci, it looks to be something like a double top, maybe people are saying, but we can be really looking for this breakout of the 420 US dollars, in my opinion. So yeah, we have been touching this 116 US dollars level, what we have been touching several times as well in the bear market. And I do think it's an extreme exciting level that we have been touching, and of course it is providing us extreme good accumulation. We're currently trading against the golden pocket, of course, level of resistance, and we got rejected several times about it in the past there. So hopefully we can be closing the weekly candle above this golden pocket entry level. So as well, guys, if I quickly remove this level here and of course set up a blue box over here from the previous stop over here that we were creating in the middle of June 2019 here, this looks quite exciting here because guys, you have to know this here. Since we were increasing through this level, we have not had a single retest. And right now having, of course, a perfect retest on this level and, of course, testing it as well as support here in the weekly time frame, I do want to be feeling extremely exciting because this looks quite good here and can be really giving us a lot of upside potential. And of course, we know once we're touching these key levels of support, we can be potentially look for extreme volatility towards the upside in a very rapid pace as well here. So that is, of course, my first reason why I do think, yeah, we are definitely sitting at accumulation levels, and you should definitely also not hesitate to miss out on Ethereum right here. And guys, then once I'm going to talk about the daily candles, I'm even getting more and more exciting. And the reason why here is because I know, just like we also told you guys on the Ethereum update that we were making earlier today, and if you haven't already checked it, I should highly suggest watching this video as well here, guys. But on that video, we were also suggesting that we're going to see extreme amounts of volatility in towards the market, because you can see it already as well on the price action of Litecoin, guys. We have been forming this beautiful symmetrical triangle, and this can be also really potentially give us a breakout towards the upside or towards the downside. But in general, it will be creating high amounts of volatility. So the reason as well here is because you can see clear decreasing volume. The volume is also preparing itself currently for a major move for the price action of Litecoin. And of course, with this in my back of my mind, I will be definitely not hesitating to play this breakout. And of course, guys, if we're talking about specific price targets, I will be right now giving them for you. So let me set this up over here and see what the potential price surge can be going towards. So yeah, we can be either looking for a breakout or a breakdown here, guys. What is more likely? A symmetrical triangle is a continuation pattern. So yeah, if I would purely look at this chart for technicals here, I should definitely say this is going to break down here. But of course, if Bitcoin is going to break up here, it will be Litecoin that's going to follow as well towards the upside. So that can be then potentially ending in the 38% move towards the upside. So that is, of course, making me feel extremely exciting here for the chart as well. If we're going to break down, this will be also approximately 40% move towards the downside, and this will be pushing back the price towards the 100 US dollars. And if we're really going to reach the 100 US dollars, guys, once again, I will be not the one who's going to hesitate a lot here to accumulate more Litecoin, because yeah, I would definitely love to accumulate Litecoin at these cheap prices here. And as well, guys, if we're looking for a breakout, it will be here within the coming 4 days here, because yeah, we usually tend to break out before reaching the apex, and you should definitely keep your eyes out on the chart as well here, because guys, the breakout will be here anytime soon here, and you of course don't want to be missing out on this. And once again, we'll be saying this on the channel, guys, if you're of course ringing the bell notification right now on the channel, you will be kept up to date once we're seeing a breakout, because yes, we will be of course trying to of course live stream once we're seeing this breakout. Of course, if I can't live stream, I will be definitely posting a video about all these altcoins and as well Litecoin that we are of course right now watching here. So I mean, yeah, the volatility can be quite high here. And of course, I will be definitely benefiting from this move either way once again, guys. And of course, it is just making me feel extremely exciting here. And as well, if we're talking about the 4 hourly time frame, guys, you can see we have been bouncing off this blue box here on the lower side. That, of course, rejected by the top side. What you can see us is as well, general speaking, major level of support and resistance. Once breaking above it, you can see tested the support. So yeah, right now we are trading below it. So this is of course also the key level that we have to be breaking through. And I'm right now talking about the 216 towards the 228 US dollars level here on the Litecoin chart here. And I mean, guys, as well, if I flip onto the MACD here, what is of course an extremely important indicator to determine the momentum here, you can see we have been starting in higher low structure. We've been setting higher lows ever since here, and as well we are about to see a bullish crossover as well on the 4 hourly coming in here. The daily candles just had a bullish crossover as well here, and that is of course also making me feel extremely exciting, because yeah, we tend to see, if we're looking to history, always once we're seeing these bullish crossovers on the daily, guys, we tend to see of course huge run-ups in momentum on the daily candle. So I already can't wait to see what we're going to do here. I do think the upside potential is definitely here on our side, because in general in this space, I think the market will be moving up here. And of course, there are a lot of altcoins that can help you, of course, to maximize these gains here. And I think Litecoin is definitely one of them as well here. So as well, guys, we have the Litecoin compared to Ethereum chart, and I will be flipping this one to the 3-day candles, guys. And if we're looking to this chart, I think we can be potentially looking for a falling wedge scenario here. And of course, this one can be really taking maybe several weeks to really develop a little bit further, but we already are seeing the necessarily touch points. So yeah, if we're really good to break out through the top side of resistance, guys, we can be really looking for extreme volatility. And of course, once we're going to break out here, this can be maybe a move of 170% compared to Ethereum. And it has been in a downtrend ever since the bear market started here compared to Ethereum. But I do think, just like in the previous bull runs, we can be, of course, taking out some valuation. So yeah, with this pattern as well unfolding here, this can be taking several weeks here. But with this in my back of my mind here, I think Litecoin is, of course, a better long-term investment here right now. So this looks of course already extremely exciting. And guys, yes, we have been also discussing the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin chart, and if we're looking to this specific chart, guys, you can see we had this perfect retest of the falling wedge coming in here. And of course, we all know the falling wedge has an approximate price target of 186% towards the upside, and from the point that we're right now trading on, another 106% towards the upside. So yeah, the Litecoin chart is full with opportunities here, and as well with the confirmation that we are right now getting on the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin chart, guys, we can be really looking for this breakout. We can be really looking for the volatility getting created here towards the upside as well for the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin pair. So in general, guys, I do feel extremely excited about Litecoin. I've been discussing the most important levels that you want to be looking out for, guys. So yeah, of course, let me know in the comment section what you guys currently think of Litecoin. Very curious, and you know on the channel that I always look at the comments that you guys really are drop for me. So it will be extremely exciting, of course, if you can drop right now what you currently think about it. And as well, guys, unfortunately I can't stream today. I wish I could, but unfortunately I have to head out today to an important thing here. So if you're interested in what I'm going to do today here, you can of course follow me already on Instagram here at CryptoRoverYT. Be careful for the scammers. There are a lot of impersonators here as well on Instagram. So make sure to only follow me, because I won't be following you and of course asking you to invest in something, because those are only scammers. So please be careful with that, of course. But guys, with that out of the way as well here, guys, thank you so much for watching here. Don't forget to ring the bell notification, and of course subscribe to the channel, because we're extremely close with reaching that 50k, guys. But of course, let me once again know in the comment section about which altcoin we have to be talking about in the future, because definitely I will be talking about more specific altcoins here in significant videos here on the channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching here. Drop a comment if you enjoyed it, and peace out, and I'll see you guys later in the next one. Goodbye.